Here's some similarities in mythology trivia. Subscribe. Which ancient culture has a sun god called Ra? Is it A, Greeks, B, Aztecs, C, Norse, or D, Egyptians? The correct answer is D, Egyptians. What do the Greek god of wine and the Roman Bacchus both represent? Is it A, B, agriculture, C, war, or D, fertility? The correct answer is A, wine. Who did Prometheus share a relationship with regarding fire in ancient stories? Is it A, Zeus, B, Athena, C, Hades, or D, Cronus? The correct answer is A, Zeus. Which mythological figure is the equivalent of Hermes in terms of messenger roles? Is it A, Mercury, B, Zeus, C, Ares, or D, Apollo? The correct answer is A, Mercury. What goddess related to fertility is mirrored in Greek and Roman pantheons? Is it A, Isis, B, Hera, C, Venus, or D, Demeter? The correct answer is D, Demeter. What celestial theme is shared by the Egyptian goddess Nut and the Greek goddess Gaia? Is it A, ocean, B, mountain, C, earth, or D, sky? The correct answer is D, sky. What role do mythical creatures like the Griffin or Chimera commonly play across cultures? Is it A, mythical weapons, B, nature spirits, C, treasure hunters, or D, guardians? The correct answer is D, guardians. In both Greek and Roman mythology, who serves as the queen of the gods? Is it A, Hera, B, Persephone, C, Demeter, or D, Athena? The correct answer is A, Hera. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.